Welcome to this meticulously maintained one-owner villa offering the perfect blend of comfort and style plus convenience. Featuring 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 full baths, this home is the ideal choice for those seeking a tranquil living space with all the modern amenities. As you step inside, you'll immediately be impressed by the open concept living and dining area, designed for both relaxation and entertainment. The generous layout provides the perfect setting for gatherings or quiet evenings at home. The well-appointed kitchen boasts plenty of storage and ample counter space, making it easy to prepare meals and stay organized. The owner suite is a true retreat, offering a peaceful sanctuary with an ensuite bath for added privacy and relaxation. It's the perfect space to unwind after a long day. This home is designed with a low-maintenance exterior, allowing you to spend more time enjoying the things you love. Whether it's sipping coffee on the patio or exploring the peaceful community, you'll find comfort and ease in every corner. To learn more about this great home, call Jerry Hurst today.